Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is Sai Teja and I am got you an exclusive content today. I have got you a very important advice in terms of solving through the lead code. There will be discussions. We usually have a habit of going either to the solutions in the lead code or some YouTube channel, or third one is writing some brute force approach and then using the ChatGPT to optimize it. So I have faced one of the important question. Till date I thought why people used to keep in discussions the test case. I felt, what is the bullshit test case required? When we are submitting the code, we used to see the failed test case. We will try to optimize it. I thought, what's the use of this kind of test case? And similarly, second one was I felt overconfident about myself in terms of an brute force approach, and I started thinking many times brute force is just a simple thing, so I don't write the brute force on the compiler. So I started with the solving of optimal. So getting an optimal thought as your brute force is a best idea, but if you're not getting an optimal solution at all, but your brute force approach might lead you to pass some test cases. It is very important in the OTs. So that second mistake I have been realized after finding one of my brute force approach as the optimal solution. And today the second one is usage of test case. I have been solving a linked list problem where there are two linked lists, which one is the main and second one is the sublist. So I was supposed to delete all the nodes in the main list which are having common and contiguous of all the sublist. So I have faced 4 difficulties, and now I am currently stuck in the 5th difficulty. First difficulty, I passed through the linked list once, and I have checked the sublist whether the coincidence of sublist in the main list, and I have passed it. So one test case was fine, but other test case was not working. Then I have seen the test case properly, but also I didn't got what might be the reason. Then I have seen the question again. Then I got to know we have to remove all the contiguous sublist in the main list. So in my test case there are 2 sublist coverage. I have deleted only one, so that is resulting in my solution mistake. So I came up with this solution. Then second case is head of a linked list. You know, most of the people in the linked list, if we lose the position of the head, we can't pass through the linked list again. It is a memory node. So in my test case, another failed test case. Here the sublist starting element is same as my main list starting element. So this made a mistake. Because of that, I am either losing the head of the linked list, or second, I am skipping to remove my my main linked list containing the sublist. So this was a second case. I came up this one with a dummy node creation, which is very important in linked list. Whenever we start the linked list problems, dummy node is one of the key thing almost. So the third thing, now the third test case usually blows your mind. It is the something like I kept the pointers for solving this. So when I am going to the another element in my main linked list, the second temporary pointer of the sublist is pointing to null, which is breaking my whole while loop. Now I understood. Whenever my second pointer points to none, I have to must restore to the starting point. Then this was also fine. Now fourth one, this is the most critical thing I have faced today, and I felt a lot of time. This fourth was the main list has the elements of the sublist, but it is like only some part of the elements in the sublist are present. So in this case, I was not supposed to delete that part of the linked list, which is consisting only some elements of the sublist. This test case I have took almost 30 to 35 minutes, and then I came up with a small solution approach of finding the number of elements in the sublist and checking whether I'm getting the contiguous position of all the sublist elements in my main list and deleting accordingly. Now after solving this fourth one, I came with my 5th test case, which I am solving currently now. The 5th test case seems to be the peak of all this. Whenever I am deleting the sublist part, I was trying to delete the pointer whenever my next pointer doesn't match with the previous element. So here I got this test case. in this test case it was like 1 2 3 4 5 3 4 5, and my sublist is 3 4 5, so I used it to remove 3 4 5 and 3 4 5, means exactly at the end of fifth I am getting 3. So when I go 3 4 5 and in sublist 3 4 5, my second pointer will be pointing to none. As soon as the second pointer pointing to none, me with the humanity used to change that one to the starting point. So now that 3 and this 3 is used to match. Because of this pointer I was stuck and I couldn't able to delete the starting 3 4 5 visibility part of main linked list. So I'm currently working now, so I'll get back to the solution in a while by keeping it as a pin in the account. Till then, you also start thinking the test cases which are given in the LeetCode discussions as crucial one. Thank you. Bye. I will be back.